Rick with the best of everything, and the new cables are here. I am so thrilled. Check these out. Here's a nice green, gold, yellow. What do they call it? Yellow? What would a style magazine call that? Burnt amber? Blue? Or sky? Aqua? I don't know what's wrong with those people. It's blue. And green. Here is green. There is no doubt about that. That is green. It's not verdant. Let's see, what do we got here? We got USB micro, USB 2A, and they have an interesting fishnet finish on these. These are some of DLAND's high quality cables, and these are good. I have them in the land yacht. It's 2 meters, 6 foot. It will reach all the way to the back. No problems with that. Circuit protection for overcharging within the cable. Very economical. So last week, it's doing the lunch thing. And, everybody comes and piles into the land yacht, and I guess that was one of Elaine's friends. Seriously wanted the cable. It was a DLAND in a light gold. Just would not relent. I told her, take it. And then she wanted to buy it. It's like, God, I don't know how much it costs. She said, well, here's $10. So I told her, well, put it in the glove box. And here's the replacement that $10 got. Isn't that great? Well, if she wants to take another one with her, more power to her. DLAND, 3-package, bargain, excellent cables, high quality. Hey, I'm glad I got them in time. I'm afraid this is going to be sold out. I got mine. You ought to get one.